Hello, I am Coldo and I want to present my favorite family photo. I hope you like it. My dad. This is my dad. His name is Jose Angel. He has got brown hair and brown eyes. In this photo, I am with my dad in Laredo. He is very fun and nice. My mom. This is my mom. She is 40 years old. She has got green eyes and blonde hair. In this photo, my mom and dad are in Zugarramurdi. My mom is nice and fun. My sister. This is my sister. Her name is Johnny. She is 12 years old. She has got blue eyes and brown hair. In this photo, we are in Península. She is fun and nice. My presentation. I am Coldo and this is my family. I am 10 years old. I have got green eyes and blonde hair. In this photo, we are in Irlandilla, Puebla.
This was all.
This was all.
Thank you for your attention.
For your attention.
I hope you liked it.
I hope you liked it.